Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to play recommendations on your Apple TV app. So if you want to see your recommendations on the Apple TV app and you want to play it, then let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and open up the Apple TV. Now once the app opens up, go ahead and tap on your profile picture here at the top right. Now this will give you the menu. Now from here, go ahead and tap on play a recommendation. So once a movie finishes or maybe a series finishes, it'll show you a recommendation and then it'll basically automatically play that recommendation. So go ahead and enable this feature and then tap on done. And there you go. That is how to autoplay recommendations on your Apple TV app. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.